remembered your father, watching as she grew up. The day I first saw her little face. Those were the greatest days. Is this where Miss Ongayo lives?
Ongayo. Who are you?
I'm an acquaintance of your father.
That box for my dad? So we could see how he's been doing. I stopped waiting to hear from him a long time ago. I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
These were your father's belongings. Mr. Song Gi-yeon has passed away.